Hi everyone. Today's goal is to use tables, equations, and graphs to describe relationships. A solution of an equation with two variables, x and y, is any ordered pair that makes the equation true. Inductive reasoning is the process of reaching a conclusion based on an observed pattern. Are 2, 11 and 5, 3 solutions for the equation y equals 3x plus 5. In order to determine this, we're first going to take a look at 211. And the first step you want to do is substitute in for your x and y. So we have 11 equals 3 times 2 plus 5. Order of operations, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 5 is 11. We get 11 is equal to 11, so 2, 11 is a solution for this equation. It made a true statement. For 5, 3, we're going to do the same thing. Substitute in 5 for x, 3 for y. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. 20 does not equal 3. So 5, 3 is not a solution for the equation. The table below shows the relationship between the numbers of hours Kaya works at her job and the amount of pay she receives. Extend the pattern. How much money would Kaya earn if she worked for 40 hours? Now, it only goes up to 12 here on the chart, 12 hours. It's going to be a lot of work to keep doing this for 40 hours. So let's see how else we can solve the problem. The first way is to write an equation. Here's the chart I copied over. For 3 hours worked, she made $37.50. For 6 hours, she made $75. Using these numbers, can you figure out how much she made for 1 hour? I'll give you a moment. You're looking for the unit rate. So you're going to take $37.50 and divide it by 3. Or if it makes you feel better, you can take 75 and divide it by 6. 150 divided by 12. 112.50 divided by 9. Either way, you should get the same answer. It should be $12.50 an hour. So her money earned, her y, is going to be equal to however many hours she worked, our x, times $12.50. So now we're going to substitute in 40 for x because we want to know how much she makes for working 40 hours and simplify it. She would earn $500 in 40 hours. The other way to solve this is to make a chart or draw a graph. Here our hours worked is our x input and the money earned is our y. Our independent variable and our dependent one. And what you would do is take the 3 points here, 3 hours, she made $37.50, put a point. 6 hours, $75. 9 hours, $112.50. And for 12 hours, $150. So once you've plotted the points that were given to you, you're going to take a ruler, line up your dots, and extend the line out. When we do that, we can go down to 40 hours worked and go up and see how much money she made. And that would be $500. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. However, writing an equation is going to be quicker. Tell whether each equation has the given ordered pair as a solution. And I've already worked these through. Y equals x minus 7 for 2 and negative 5. Substitute in 2 for x, negative 5 for y. And since we get negative 5 is equal to negative 5, our answer would be yes, it is a solution. Y equals x plus 6 for negative 5, 11. Substitute in 11 for your y, negative 5 for your x. We get 11 is not equal to 1. So this ordered pair is not a solution to this equation. This point is not going to lie on this line when the equation is graphed. Y equals negative x plus 1 for negative 1, 0. Again, you're going to substitute in 0 equals negative negative 1, which in turn becomes positive 1. So we end up with 1 plus 1, which is 2, and that does not equal 0. So negative 1, 0 is not a solution for this equation. Negative 1, 0 is not going to be on the drawing of the line for the equation of this graph. The table shows the number of miles that Kate runs on a weekly basis while training for a race. How many total miles will she have run after 15 weeks? Well, again, here's our training weeks. Here's her miles that she ran. Do we really want to keep doing this all the way down to 15? No. Write an equation. It's the easiest way. It tells you 1 week for 40 miles. That's your unit rate. So it should be pretty easy for you to come up with an equation for this and solve it. I'll give you a moment. Stop the tape. And then come back and see how you did. Okay, our equation should have been y equals 40 times x. Substitute in 15 for your x, and you'll see that she actually ran, God bless her, 600 miles in the 15 weeks. Use a table and an equation to represent each relationship. Tickets to the fair cost $17. A quick and easy table, number of tickets versus your cost. If you had 0 tickets, your cost is free. Nothing, zip, 0. 1 ticket would be $17. 2 tickets would be $34. Your equation, your cost is going to equal 17, in this case dollars, times the number of tickets that you buy. Brian is 5 years older than Sam. Here's our chart. Sam's age and Brian's age. If Sam hasn't been born yet, Brian's going to be 5. When Sam's 1, Brian will be 6. And when Sam is 2, Brian will be 7. Your equation, B equals S plus 5.